Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. I'm gonna say it again. Man, we got another good one for you today. We're gonna do corn dogs. Wait a minute. You know I'm not gonna do a regular ordinary corn dog. We're gonna do smoked andouille sausage corn dogs, homemade. Oh my goodness, these things are so good. The batter's good. Stick around, you're gonna see how I do these. You'll love them. So, hang tight. Okay, what I've got here, I've got some andouille sausage, all right? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the pit boss. I've got it on the smoke setting. I'm going to let a little smoke get into these sausage, and so let's put them on. Now I'm putting them on the top rack. Close them up. All right, I'm gonna let that smoke roll on that sausage, and when it's time to take them off, I'll bring it back. That's gonna be about 30, 45 minutes. Okay, well, we have hit 30 minutes, and let's see what we've got. Oh yeah, see the color on these? Let's take them off. That's all it took to get decent smoke. See the color on them? All right, I'm gonna let them completely cool down. It's 71 degrees out here in the cook shack. So it's gonna take about half an hour. We'll let it cool down. That'll give us time to get the rest of it set up. First, in our dry ingredients, we're gonna use 1.5 cups. This is finely ground cornmeal. Okay, next, this is 1.25 cups of self-rising flour. All right, if you don't have self-rising flour, add a little baking powder in your regular flour. That will take care of it. I want to add about 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now this is light brown sugar, it's what I had. You can use either one. Yep, that's about 1/4 cup. Next, I want to add about 1/2 tablespoon of salt. And then let's just take and mix this in. You see I got a few clumps of brown sugar, that's okay. This whisk will break it up. And see, it doesn't take but a second. There we go. Okay, to this, I want to add our wet ingredients. I want to add 1 large egg, and I want to add 1.75 cups of milk. Now, buttermilk's even better, but that's up to you. Pour that in. And let's stir this up. Very quickly you will see how this smooths out. Make sure you get all the cornmeal and the flour mixed up into this mixture. Now, I didn't want to do it today, but you could have substituted the milk for beer, and that would make a beer batter. But we're not doing that today. Look at the consistency we've got there. See how creamy that is? And that's what you want. All right, this will be good to use right now, or it will be good to use if you put it in the refrigerator tomorrow. And I'm about to forget, but the last little ingredient, I want to put about a tablespoon of oil. Now this is olive oil I'm using. And there we go. All right, see the consistency? I don't know that I can show it to you on camera, but it's pretty thick. It's not real runny, so to speak, but this will work. All right, so let me get my oil up to temp. I've already got it coming up, and then we'll go from there. Okay, while I'm waiting on the oil to come up to temp, I'm going to take, now I'm using little 6-inch skewers. That gives you just enough to hold on to. It doesn't really interfere with cooking in the pot. And these are thick enough you can actually lay down in the oil and they won't burn up. So let's stick these in. Okay, so I'm going to take this ladle and I want to pour this in a tall glass. It just makes it easier. I probably could have gotten away with dipping it in that bowl, but I want to use a glass, a cup, or beaker, container, or whatever that's tall enough that I can soak all of my sausage down in the batter. Okay, well, we've got our oil up to temp. Let's dump this down in it. There we go. Roll it off. Let's turn it as you dunk it in. Let's do another one. I want to do about 2 at a time. That'll keep it from dropping the oil temp too much. Now those cubes are big enough. They ought to be just fine. Okay, got them a nice golden brown. And I'm going to take them, drain them just a little bit, and set them on this rack. And let's just keep going. All right, couple more. Those are nice and brown. Let's get them out. Get them on the rack. Got one more here we need to get on there. Put him up here. All right, we'll cut everything off, let them cool off, and we're gonna try them, see how good they are. All right, well, here we go. This is cooled off enough to take a bite out of. Can't wait, I'm going in. That sausage, smoked, oh my goodness. The batter, just a hint of sweet to it. It makes this. Oh, this is so good. A condiment. I don't know whether I'd want to put a condiment on this or not. Mustard and ketchup, hey, that's the favorite with corn dog. We might try that. But, oh my goodness. This is so good. Thanks for sticking around. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, hit the circle on this side and subscribe. I'll have another video for you, just for you on this side. Until next time, hang tight.